Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of I Don't Know His Majesty is a Girl, chapter 52. So here it is. Let's read the story. To the little queen, right now, she was screaming. She can accept the fact that you are such a. How can this be? You are committing a foul. Now she was blushing hard and blaming the emperor on what's happening. Well, for her, she was really acting. The emperor said to her, I'm too silly to use this method. Now she's trying to amend her mistake. You are not silly, you are extremely smart, little queen said to the emperor. Emperor said, you know that I can take soft things rather than hard things, and you know that I can bear to be angry with you. Emperor said to the little queen right now. Well, she's trying to calm herself, but the little queen seems to be. She was really serious. Emperor said, but you are still so serious about tossing with me. Well, right now, Emperor, she has a guts. Still trick the little queen. But since the little queen is also smart, she cannot deceive easily. Not tossing, I did something wrong in the past, which made you sad. If you do something wrong, admit it. Well, right now, looking at the little queen, seems to be collected. Now, she is calm already. The emperor right now. So, are you willing to forgive me? Looking at the emperor. Now, she learned a lot of things. Also, coaxing a people, trying to fleece her right now. Well, for the little queen, now she really hugged her, closer to her. Even though she was still crying a little bit. I have stopped being angry for a long time while you are still so angry, little queen said to the emperor. Right now, she was hugging her tightly. She moved closer to her, and it was like he was sniffing her. She moved closer to feel her scent, to rely on her. Well, the little queen, now she's been tricky. Emperor moved closer to her and touching her face. I haven't worn woman's clothes for many years. It's too complicated and difficult to wear. I'm afraid I'll have to trouble the queen to take it off myself later. Oh, right now, she really want to trick her by removing her clothes. Of course, she can see everything. Right now, looking at the little queen, seems to be puzzled. Emperor is asking her to remove her clothes later. Well, can she really do it? But right now, the emperor, it's been tricky. It's like she was holding her hand, placing into her lips. Oh, she is showing. You want to deceive her, also to trick her, right? That's why the emperor, he was acting sweet to her. After kissing the little queen's hand, now she put the little queen hands on her chest. Grab her hands. It's like she want to feel her heartbeat. She's only the one who's she loving and adoring at this moment. Right now, the two of them becoming sweet to each other. Well, gradually, she want to take off her clothes. Well, a little piece is falling down. Now, she really deceived her. Just to coax her like this. She really want to take the little queen. Right now, the little queen come to her senses. Looking at her, why is it so sudden? Wasn't it just sensational? I'm afraid that you will be sad for too long, so I have to think the other ways to divert your attention. Now, the emperor was clearly on her mind. She really want to coax her. That's why she was acting strangely toward the little queen right now. So the little queen said to her, so, that's it. Right now, the emperor is really desperate. Little queen will forgive her. That's why she was trying hard how to coax her back again. Suddenly, this is not gonna happen. Little queen is also a trickster. Right now, the emperor has been tricked. She puts her on the bed. Now she really falls down. Little queen, after pushing her down, the emperor can do anything but just to lie down on there. Well, it was really a smooth move. Little queen, she has so many tricks on her, including this. Right now, she can try to deceive the emperor also. This posture diverts my attention even more than before. Little Queen said to the Emperor right now. Well, looking at her, faces looked mischievous. Well, the Emperor really deserved what she really saw. Right now, she's also been tricked. The fuss, you were the tough. I was at the bottom. Now, everyone is a girl. It's for me to be replaced, right? Oh, this is getting crazy. Little Queen wants to dominate the Emperor herself. That's why she really pushed her to lie on the bed. And the Emperor said to her, is this really the punishment for her? Well, what do you think, guys? She really deserved it, right? Get punished by the Little Queen for trying to deceive her. Right now, the Little Queen said, no, I like you. That's why I want you do something like this with you. Oh, now, it's been a role change to the two of them. Wants to be an alpha, wants to dominate her. The Emperor, of course, she cannot rejected her, said to her, I like you too, and tonight, don't get complain about being tired when you want. Well, as of now, the Little Queen knows this, said to Her Majesty, Her Majesty knows that I am silly. Looking at the Little Queen, now she really has a lot of confidence to herself that she can really do it. Even though she want to be a reasoning, well, it can be. His movements may not be as flexible as His Majesty. She want to try hard to please her, make her feel good also. Well, let's see. The Little Queen, changing the role, being the dominant Little Queen. Your Majesty, you must teach me well. Oh, this is really exciting, and we can really wait to see what will happen. Of course, the Little Queen trying to dominate her. It is really new to all of us. How could you keep silence? Little Queen is asking Her Majesty right now. Her Majesty only can say, ah. Well, did she really like what the Little Queen does to her right now? Of course, she is. That's why right now she is not rejecting her. Her Majesty said, don't touch here. You're being too fast. Well, the Little Queen seems to be engrossed on what she's doing, trying to calm herself. Well, a tricky queen, come, a dominant alpha. Right now, the Little Queen said, ah, isn't it here? Sorry. Now, the Little Queen wants to tease her. Also, she wants to provoke Emperor, giving her a punishment. Right now, since she wants to tease Her Majesty, how about I will try it again? Now, Her Majesty is really blushing. Of course, she is shy. The Little Queen is the one being on the top. Hey guys, the chapter is getting better. I hope you can support it. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!